Hens might seem like simple barnyard animals, but there's so much more to them than clucking and laying eggs. These birds are full of personality, intelligence, and surprising behaviors that make them far more interesting than most people realize. Whether they're taking care of their chicks, establishing their social order, or showing off their unique vocalizations, hens lead a life that's anything but boring. One of the most amazing things about hens is their strong maternal instinct. When a hen decides to sit on her eggs, she becomes incredibly dedicated, rarely leaving the nest. Once the chicks hatch, she takes her role as a mother very seriously, teaching them how to find food and stay safe. If danger approaches, she spread her wings and do whatever it takes to protect her babies, proving that hens are some of the most caring moms in the animal kingdom. Hens also have a surprisingly complex social structure known as the pecking order. This hierarchy determines who eats first, who roosts where, and who's in charge. It's established through gentle and sometimes not so gentle pecking and displays of dominance. Once the order is set, everyone knows their place, and things run smoothly, most of the time. Occasionally, a new hen might challenge the leader, leading to a bit of drama in the coop. Believe it or not, hens are pretty smart. They can recognize more than 100 different faces, not just of other chickens, but humans too. They remember who treats them well and who doesn't, and they've even been known to show empathy when another hen is distressed. Their vocal range is impressive too. They have different calls for warning about predators, letting others know they've found food, or just announcing they've laid an egg. Each sound has its own meaning, making their communication surprisingly sophisticated. When it comes to laying eggs, hens have their own unique rhythm. Most hens lay an egg almost every day, but the process is more complex than it seems. It takes about 24 to 26 hours for an egg to fully develop, and the timing can shift, which is why you won't always find an egg at the same time each day. The color of the egg depends on the breed, and while most people are used to brown or white eggs, hens can lay blue, green, and even speckled eggs. Hens are also more playful than you'd expect. They enjoy dust baths, which help keep their feathers clean and free from parasites. You might see them scratching the ground, chasing insects, or even running around just for the fun of it. If you've ever spent time watching a group of hens, you know they each have their own personality. Some are bold and curious, while others are more reserved and cautious. Despite their humble reputation, hens are fascinating creatures with rich social lives, strong instincts, and unique behaviors. They're much more than egg producers. They're smart, caring, and full of character.